In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to normalize audio levels in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever noticed that one clip sounds much louder or much quieter than another, normalizing is a quick way to bring that audio to a more consistent level. This can help your timeline sound cleaner and more balanced, especially if you're working with dialogue, interviews, voiceovers, or clips recorded in different environments. To get started, go to the audio clip you want to normalize inside your project. Make sure you're selecting the correct clip because the adjustment will be applied to that specific piece of audio. This is useful when you have one clip that stands out as being too low or too high compared to the rest. Once you've found the clip, right-click on it. This will open a menu with several options related to editing and audio control. In that menu, choose the option called Normalize Audio Levels. This is the tool in DaVinci Resolve that automatically adjusts the clip's volume based on the settings you choose. After that, you'll see options for the normalization mode. This is where you decide how DaVinci Resolve should measure and adjust the audio. Depending on your version and workflow, you may see different normalization choices, and each one is designed for a slightly different purpose. For example, some modes are better for general loudness consistency, while others are more focused on peak levels. If you're not sure which one to use, start with the default or the mode that best matches the type of content you're editing. Next, adjust the settings as needed. This gives you control over how strong the normalization should be. The right choice depends on your audio and the final result you want. If your clip is very quiet, normalization can raise it to a more usable level. If it's too loud, it can bring it down so it fits better with the rest of your project. The main goal is to create a smoother listening experience without sudden jumps in volume. Once you've made your selection and adjusted the normalization settings, apply it, and that's it. Your audio clip will now be normalized according to the mode and level you chose. This is a simple but very helpful feature in DaVinci Resolve, and it can save time when you want fast, more even audio levels without making manual volume adjustments right away. After normalizing, it's still a good idea to listen back to the clip in context with the rest of your timeline to make sure everything sounds natural and balanced.